Hello guys, today I want to speak with you about a couple of single stocks which I think are very interesting for every one of us. First, let us start with ASML Holding. It is a company from the Netherlands. As you can see, they are at the moment almost at 660 euros. And if we look at the overall performance, you see how they grow and how quick they grow. So what are they doing? They are one of the world's leading manufacturing in the topic of chips. So they make equipment and they have almost no opponent or some other company which get close to them. So for that reason, it is something which is really attractive. And as you can see, they dropped a little bit. They went in July 2024 to over 1,000 euros. So right now they are recovering, and I think it is one very attractive company. You can read into it, and if you like it, you can plan what to do. But everything that I'm telling you are, like always, just recommendations from my side. And at the end, you will see my portfolio and what I'm actually doing. So in the VT ETF, you see as well SML Holdings, one of their bigger holdings in the complete stocks because of their market value of over $161 million. So the next company which I want to show you is Nike. And if we look at the overall performance from the past until now, they went to an all-time high in 2021 with around $175, and they had a branding problem. So the stock market dropped a little bit, but I told you once, we have a source which is really powerful and it's called Dataroma. So for that reason, if we just look at Dataroma and look what the super investors are doing, we can go into the Nike stock, and as we can see, Bill Ackman put up his portfolio with 11.15%, and that means he bought over 16 million shares. It is a bet, but I don't know, it is attractive from my side as well. So still guys, do your own research, but I think it is attractive. The next stock is Alibaba Group. It is the biggest e-commerce in Asia. And as you can see, it went very hardly down. So that means it is an option to buy cheap as well, the Tencent stock. So I don't know what will happen with the regulations and the Trump situation with China, but these are a couple of stocks which I think are very cheap for the moment. And it would be a great chance to start to buy them. And last but not least, I have the Google stock, which went a little bit down because of regulations for too much power. And we can look what is happening in Dataroma with Alibaba Group Holdings, if there are a couple of people who bought it even more. And yes, as we can see, just Michael Burry bought around 200,000 in shares, and as well Howard Marks bought around over 224,000 in shares. So a couple of people started to reduce their portfolio with Alibaba. So you can see even the super investors are with mixed feelings because nobody can predict the future or know what will for 100% happens. If you watched that far, we can see my portfolio. It is an unfair thing which happened. I didn't put my money into my broker step by step. This was my biggest amount which I put into my broker. I put around over $3,000 inside of my broker. I missed the steps with 7,000, 8,000, and I'm already over 9,000. And my goal is always to invest per year around $10,000 into my broker. So if we check my performance, it is around 760 USD in an unrealized profit and loss. I have a lot of cash in my account. This is the amount which I put into my account. And as you can see at the bottom, it is over $3,000, which I just have in my account. And I bought something new, which I by myself wasn't sure if I want to do it or not. I had the chance to buy one more WOO or Google stock. And I think it is very attractive. So for that reason, I bought Google stocks and they are going through. The market is reopened again. My order went through. So as you can see, I have right now a little bit over 3 shares in Google, and I think it will grow over the time, over 200 USD. So I just want to realize the profits and put it as well into my WOO. And with my WOO, I have still 1 share and it brought me around 52 USD. That means like it is already my 10% in profit. Yeah, that's all for today's video. I will do one more investment on December, and then I probably get my 10,000 mark for this year. And I'm really happy that I've did it. And I will stay on my cash like Warren Buffett and all the other super investors who are selling their stocks, and just stay on cash, because sooner you will see why. Probably in that case, I will buy all the stocks in a sale like we have today with the Black Friday. Thanks guys for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.